Double check the map, I think you'll see what I'm talking about. Crazy lake level's down. I think literally the offset is 134. Okay. Now these numbers make a little more sense. Let's do a bit better. Yes, that makes more sense. Alright, we out here today. Just me and Alice. Out here at New Melones. It's our first time out here. Heard some good things about it. Not so many good things in the winter, but I know there's trout out here, obviously bass. I think there's smallies and spotteds out here too. So we're gonna give it a go. Just throw the usual suspects in the winter and see if we can hook into something. Stay tuned. All right, we're gonna start off with an A-rig today. Let's break it out, give it a little more flair. This, get it going, getting fired up. Cool. All right, let's see. Let's try. Let's go back to Mr. Go Bite. What's up? You get another one? Oh, nice. Killing it over there. It's probably a good thing we're not placing a little wager today. Alice will be kicking my butt right now. So green. All right, let's give it a little stank. Let's try something. Looks like they like that jig.
For a move is, and hopefully that happens for them quickly. But with the quick hi Carl, I'm sorry, rambling. What are we going to do with
Oh, I deserve that. Just kind of Slow drag, dead sticking it. Not really giving much action. That's why I was hoping that little hint of chartreuse would give him enough visual cue to chomp down on it. Let's see if we can keep it going. Another one. Not as big as the others. Okay, come on. It's a nice little spot. All right, that's a good one. Thanks, bud. Couldn't tell, it's mushy. All right, you okay? Nah, it's like another, it's probably a 12er. Thanks, bud. Safe to say, the jig is probably the deal right now. Use the finesse jig. Alright, just gotta get one more for my limit. I know I haven't been measuring them, but I mean, I think they're probably at least 12, at least those last two probably. Close to it. Let's just call it that. Yeah! Getting it!
Like 10 jigfish this year. It's a good one. Right through the roof of the nose.
Very good. It's a good one.
Yeah.
Let's try something else for a little bit. Da-da-da. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's tiny. Oh, it's not bad. It didn't fight very hard. It's a largie. Nice one, bud. Good fat guy. Alright. Got out of the wind. Caught a little fish. long that guy is. Yeah, long boy. It's a good one.